Question 14, so binomial expansion. And this is a slightly sneaky one because this is the bracket that needs to be binomially expanded, whereas this is just a single bracket to multiply this all by. So we want the coefficient of x to the power 5, which is going to mean multiplying whatever the coefficient of x cubed is from this by 8x squared, and whatever the coefficient of x to the power 5 is by the 5 that is there. So I start considering it and just think, right, what would I do in terms of expanding this? I'll go through a bit more than I would do normally. So it would be 3 to the power 6. We don't want that. Then it would be 6 choose 1 times 3 to the power 5 times negative a half x. We don't want that. Then it would be 6 choose 2, 3 to the 4, negative a half x all squared. We don't want that. 6c 3 times 3 cubed, negative a half x to the power 3. We do want that. We then don't want the 6 choose 4 1, 3 to the power 2, but I'm just going through this to make sure I get all my numbers adding up in the right place. But we do want 6 choose 5 times 3 to the power 1 times negative a half x to the power 5. So what's that going to give us? Well, you get the calculator, and it's maths. No, it's not. I always go wrong. It's menu. No, it's not. It's option. And then it's probability. And then it's n chooser. So 6 choose 3 equals, and I'm going to need 6 choose 5, so I'm going to do that at the same time. 6 choose 5, which is 6. So that's going to give me 20 times 3 cubed is 27 times negative a half cubed is negative 1/8 x cubed. And down here we will have 6 choose 5 was 6 times 3 times negative 1 over 2 to the power 5 is 32, so 1 over 32 x to the power 5. So then we just whack those in the calculator to get what they'll be. 20 times 27 equals, divided by 8, gives us 67.5, or 135 over 2 x cubed, and 6 times, or 3 times 6, oh, so negative as well, isn't it? And then we've got 3 times 6 divided by 32 is negative 9/16 x to the power 5. And then, if you imagine the old grid that we would be doing there, we've got 8x squared and we've got 5. We've got our negative 135 over 2x cubed, and we've got our negative 9 over 16 x to the power 5. We just want this one times that one. So 8 times, that would give us negative 540 x to the power 5 there. And then this one times this one would give us 45, or negative 45 over 16 x to the power 5. Then we add those two together, and that gives us negative 86. So that's 8,685 over 16 x to the power 5. So that is the coefficient we're looking for.